I don't know about you, but I like to keep my car clean. I have a 2017 RAV4 Toyota, and the problem I've been running into over and over again is that, base layer fabric, it picks up every hair, it's so hard to vacuum and so forth. And so I decided to finally put something much more practical above that fabric. Let me show you what I mean, and maybe that's something that you want as well. Check this out. What I love about this is how easy it is to install. They're essentially strong Velcro, if you will. See, it just connects. You have special holes over here specifically for your car, so you can continue using the functionality that's inbuilt here. I love that it's also covering the base board as well. So I can put, sandy stuff, even something that may spill from the beach or from groceries. What I also do with this one is I put all these seats down, and it becomes a really nice platform, almost like a pickup truck, but that has a cover. So check this out. So it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is just pull this up. The seats come right down. We're gonna go put the second one down. Look at that. Look how much space, y'all. I mean, you can put surfboards, you can have doggies running all over the place, and you're not scared of the fabric. What I love about RAV4 is that this is actually plastic. My Volkswagen, this is fabric as well. I need to think through on that one, but look how much space we got within the RAV4. I mean, that's incredible. In fact, we're gonna put a mattress there and just go camping and sleep right over here. But look, again, you can just tear this down. So simple. And just imagine how easy it is to clean. All you do, pull them out, rinse them with water, let them dry, put them right back. You don't ever have to deal with this fabric right here that just collects. It's like a sponge. It just gathers everything you can. So hope you enjoy it. Obviously something I use every day. Highly recommend. Look at that space. All right, enjoy it. You'll thank me later.